everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make this updated school makeup cause last year or somewhere in the past I made a school but that was so shitty, so today I'm gonna recreate that. I already applied the BB cream cause I have a bad wound on my chin, so I needed to cover with the concealer to cover that, and as always I used my Garnier BB cream to hide that I was stupid and my chin looking so bad. So I used lots of layers, and I'm gonna work with the body and face paint, so I already need lots of layers to protect my skin. And because my computer was broken, I love to listen music while I'm doing makeup, so I sprayed my face to prep it with this MAC prep and primer fixing spray. Oh, I can talk. So as you can see, and I thought, I'm using my Imagic face and body paint palette. I used at the end only one palette because I used only the white and the black color, as you can see. Now I'm just adding some white, lots of white, 2 layers of white paint on my face, and then I just use the black and the thin paintbrush and start painting, starting with the eyes. I look like I have oh, I can't talk. I got glasses, and now just the nose. Last year, I think when I made the skull, I followed another makeup tutorial, or not tutorial, I just watched others and tried to do it like that, and using a school makeup picture. Now I didn't use a school makeup picture. I used a picture of a skull as a reference picture, and that's how I made my makeup, and it became, I think, super cool and more unique. Now I just try to draw the teeth, and first I was watching the picture and I was watching my own teeth to find out where should I put these lines and teeth, and I just try to find out the best way. I just give some black in the inside to make it better, and these little bit there in the sides on my lips, next to my lips, and at the ends I just connected the lines. Down I connected the lines, but up only just the side I connected them. In the middle I didn't, and you'll see at the end why and how they gonna look good. And then I added these holes, or I don't know how to say that. What's this? I don't know the word. Not the jaw, my jawline. It's up. It's upper. I don't know how to say that. I don't remember the word right now. So I just drew those, and then I just didn't draw. I just dotted out where I want the front part and where I want the back part, and some place where I wanted to add some shading. And it sounds interesting, or I don't even understand what I'm talking, but you'll see what will happen. I just add more contouring, more white and black to make it look better, and I promise at the end it's gonna look good and right. Just wait till you see. And the reason why I chose to do a skull to look a skull now, not makeup as a reference, because the reference picture is always how to say, not inspire, but it's not good. I wanted to make my own and not copying someone else's. And because once I draw a school from a school when I was learning drawing, so it was an interesting to do this and try out. And I love doing this, and I'm so proud of the end, how it looks like. I loved it so much. At the end I was dancing to the spooky scary skeletons because I loved it so much. And then I washed it off because I never go outside and because I don't want my face to feel bad because of the paint, so I washed it off. But I was playing with this a little bit in the house to have fun. I'm looking so funny while I'm doing this, and it's super fun. I need to say when it's in progress, and at the end it's gonna look super good. It's so funny. Or I'm just weird, I don't know, but I have so much fun. So, and that is what matters, I think. So let's see. Ooh, and now I finally get back to the black to make my eyes, and I decided not to use the little paint brushes. I choose a little bit bigger brush now to finish this, because that was easier. And I love this so much. This ended up looking so good, I think. And that's it. I think it's super cool. It's so much better than the previous school makeup that I made. I love it so much. And yes, I had a little fun because I was listening to a little bit Disney ragtime stuff, so I was just dancing to that. I had a great time. And yes, that's the finished look. I think it's super cool. So that's it. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of link in the description that you should check out. My Halloween merch is out, my design's out, and this is a limited edition Halloween merch, so it's gonna be only available until the November 1st, so grab them while you can. And see you in the next video. Bye!